Are living organisms considered thermodynamic systems? Have you ever wondered if living organisms fit into the world of thermodynamics? It's a fascinating question that connects biology and physics. Let's break it down together. Living organisms are indeed considered thermodynamic systems, specifically open and active ones. This means they interact with their surroundings by exchanging both energy and matter. To understand this better, let's look at some key points. First, what is a thermodynamic system? It is a defined part of the universe that we can study. Systems can be isolated, closed, or open. Isolated systems do not exchange anything with their surroundings. Closed systems allow energy exchange but not matter. Open systems, like living organisms, exchange both energy and matter. Now, living organisms are perfect examples of open systems. They continuously take in energy, like food or sunlight, and matter, such as nutrients and oxygen. At the same time, they releases energy in the form of heat and waste products like carbon dioxide. This constant back and forth is what classifies them as open systems. Next, let's talk about active thermodynamic systems. Unlike passive systems that just let energy flow, living organisms actively convert energy from one form to another. For instance, they transform the chemical energy found in food into usable energy, known as adenosine triphosphate. This energy is essential for maintaining their structure and functions. Living organisms also maintain a stable non-equilibrium state. This means they are not in a state of balance where energy changes cease. Instead, they keep order and low entropy by constantly consuming energy and performing metabolic activities. If they were to reach equilibrium, they would no longer be alive. The principles of thermodynamics play a vital role in biological processes. They help explain how organisms manage energy flows. For example, cellular respiration produces adenosine triphosphate, while enzymes regulate reactions. These processes follow the laws of thermodynamics, particularly the first law, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, and the second law, which highlights the increase of entropy. However, living systems can locally decrease entropy by increasing it in their surroundings. Understanding living organisms as thermodynamic systems provides clarity on metabolism, growth, adaptation, and responses to the environment. It gives us a framework to study how life sustains itself by balancing energy intake and output. This knowledge is fundamental in fields like biophysics, physiology, and ecology. In essence, living organisms are open, active thermodynamic systems. They maintain a non-equilibrium state by exchanging energy and matter with their environment. They convert energy to sustain life processes and regulate entropy locally. This perspective makes the principles of thermodynamics relevant and accessible to understanding biological life.